Matagal nang lumalabas sa feed ko tong resto na to kaso medyo malayo kaya hindi namin mapuntahan. It's located here in Tagaytay. But because it's our Father Dear's birthday, we have a reason to try it out this time to celebrate this special day. Malaki yung parking kasi events place siya, for weddings mostly. And talaga namang pagpasok mo pa lang matutuwa ka na kasi ang cozy and aesthetic, Instagrammable every corner. We ordered their steak fries, Hillbarn pork chop, and pan-seared salmon. Lahat masarap and generous sa serving. Sulit na sulit yung pagdayo namin. But maybe next time we'll request na on the side lang yung sauces ng steak and pork chop para hindi overwhelming sa palate. When it comes to drinks, ang sarap ng butterfly aid and smoothies. Refreshing as usual. Wala na akong video kasi busy na ako magbantay sa bagets. Pero isang bagay na babalik